my channel. So today I'm gonna be making a DIY Christmas centerpiece, which is part of the DIY Christmas centerpiece challenge. It is hosted by Measure and Mix and Simply Yet Chic, so I am so excited to be a part of this. I will leave their channels in the description box below, along with a playlist of everybody who's gonna be doing this challenge. I love doing these. This is only my second one I've ever done, but I love it because it's a playlist of a ton of DIYs. So if you need some inspiration, I am so excited to do this. Yes, I'm gonna say that probably a couple times, that yes, I am so excited to do this, but I'm gonna get started. I love Christmas. I love decorating for holidays. I have trying to come up with some like out of the box ideas because I really love the rustic feel. I love bringing the outdoors in, and I love doing everything very, very simple and very, very inexpensive. And I'm gonna get started and I'm gonna show you what I'm coming up with. Okay, so I started out with 4 pieces of Birch Tree. We just cut this from a limb. My husband actually cut them into 10 inches and then 5 inches for the smaller sides. And then I just ended up stacking these and doing this over again. I used a bunch of E6000 and hot glue. And then I did wait overnight for this to completely dry, because I know like when you try to glue branches and like sticks and stuff together, it just seems to not work out unless you just seriously let it sit and dry. So that's what I did. And then I just honestly did another row of this, same size, so 10 by 5. And then I just, like I said, waited overnight for this to dry. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. I think this definitely turned out way better than I thought it would, because I was kind of having issues because the pieces were just a little bit different and a little bit thicker and stuff like that, so I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but I was so happy with this. I love making stuff for absolutely free. And then I did just take a piece of cardboard and I did glue it to the bottom, and this is going to be so easy to just rip off if you end up wanting to do something different with this or use it for a different holiday or whatnot. But I think this is the cheapest route to go, and it's not permanent, so like I said, you can just tear this apart if you wanted to. And then next, I'm just going to be taking one of these little Dollar Tree Christmas trees. I know these kind of look like a little Charlie Brown Christmas tree, but I really like the way these look, so I don't care if they have a little bit of holes and stuff in them. You can definitely hide them with ornaments or something like that. We can hang out on the beach without... And then I just ended up putting that right in the middle of my Birch Tree box. That's what I guess I'm going to call it. And then I just have these little holly berry picks with the little pine cones on them. I also purchased those from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to be adding those into each side. I just think this looks so cute for a centerpiece. I love how rustic this ends up looking. And then I'm just going to be taking some pine cones from Dollar General, and I'm just going to be putting them right onto the tree. And this is all I'm going to be doing for my centerpiece. Like I said, I really like it simple, and I just love how you can just bring the outdoors in and how rustic it looks, because this is definitely a very, very inexpensive thing. This only cost me $4 to make, so I was so excited to see how cute this turned out. And I tried to put the lantern in there because I love the rustic look of it, but I just didn't end up using the lantern. I have no idea what to use those for. And then I just added some fairy lights in the bottom of this. I was going to add lights to the tree, but I just really think I like it without lights. I don't know what it is about this, but I am so happy with this. And then now I'm just adding some Spanish moss to the bottom just to cover it up a little bit. But that's it, you guys. And so thank you so much for watching, and I am so excited to be a part of this DIY challenge. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure you check out all the ladies that are going to be in this challenge as well. Like I said, I will leave the playlist in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Yeah, isn't that amazing?